Okay, I decided to put one of these, put it back together again. I have cleaned it completely. Clean that as well. Use some disinfectant. Okay, this is the main part, right? So when you put it back together again, that will be the main part. This bit here, let's pull this all apart. That's the top bit. These two parts here come apart. So let's pull them apart and see what we get. Okay, we have a squarish bit on the edge which goes over the top of the main tube that goes to the actual motor. So lock that in. This one here has a flat bit that goes over the top of the tube that goes to the motor as well, and then the whole thing clips back together again like that. Then we pop this back on top. We do not put that in yet. We put our 4 screws back into the bottom of this. I've missed a couple little teeny bits on it, but yeah, pretty good. So we throw them back in. So you'll need your T8 for that. T8, if I can actually get it in there. Yep, perfectly. So there's one. There's 4 spots. If I can point them out, I will. Two. 3, and the last one is number 4. Yes, I'm boring. The last one doesn't want to play the game. Oh, that did. So there, if you can zoom in on it, we'll come around. I'll see if I can see them. Hard to really tell in this shot. There's one there. See, another. There's a couple more in there. Yeah, I didn't do a really good job. I should have given it a bit more of a clean, but it's going to get dirt in it anyway. Have done a pretty good job. Didn't have anything to get in those spots. Next thing you need to do is you need to reinstall this. So as you see, that duct goes to the front where the tube heads to the motor. It goes back in there like that. It should theoretically just fit. Now, getting it, I had it before I decided to show you guys, just in case you had problems with it. So just use your thumbs to work it around and then get it all in. Screw those, I think it's 8 of them, 8 T8s in. I just drop one, of course. And good demonstration, Chris. Should I do it again, guys? No, I don't think I will. So I think I am one short on the T8s. I'll find one to replace it. Hopefully, I think there's one there somewhere. And you just screw them down. And hold on, stuffed up, wait up. Unscrew those screws, pop that on top first. It's such a klutz some days. I had it all organised and I forgot about it. I would have got it all screwed up and then I would have gone, oh gosh, that really worked really well, Chris. So that'll go on. So not not 100% that this must have a certain way of putting it on. So keep turning it until you get the right spot. I'm having a guess that this flat bit is meant to go there. So the flat bit goes to the front, which hasn't got any screws on it, and then all the other ones will go in nice and neat, hopefully. So if you're getting bored and you're at home, it's something to watch. I can get some more different videos out. Doesn't take long to put all the screws back in. I think that one's a little bit big for the job. Not sure what that one's for, but I'm not going to use it there. It's one of these. And hey presto, we've got the whole thing back together again. Making sure that you get that matching up with this, and just using your thumbs to readjust and reconnect that all the way around. And there's your filter, all connected. And then you just pop the other filter in the top. Mine's still drying, sorry about that. And using your two white connectors either side, reconnect it back onto the motor. Something like, well, you don't have to do anything, I don't think. You just clip it back in, it's locked in. Don't forget those two clips on the bottom, white clips on the bottom, other way to get the filter off. And pop this battery back in, pop the two screws in that are Phillips heads, as you remember from before. If you watched the first bit, you'll know that it's a Phillips head, a small Phillips head, but a Phillips head in that. It is pretty good. Anyway, no, that's not the right one. And that's together. The apocalyptic repairer has nothing on me, although he's probably better at doing shit than I am. If you haven't seen his channel, go and look for it. Look at this. I've cleaned it. It's almost like brand new. Brand new vacuum cleaner. Use disinfectant, as you need to use that at the moment. And it's got some power in it, this thing. I don't know what is going on. Oh yeah, I see the power there. Yeah, happy with that. You see the line going into that. That's it, fellas. This is it, a wrap. The Dyson, this is only a D6, but all